Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. It has been far too long since I popped up on this channel. Needless to say, I'm so excited to be back. I missed y'all so much. To be honest, I've been really neglecting self-care this holiday season, so today's vlog is really just focused on doing things that are relaxing, comforting. But first things first, I need to do a couple of things for my job. So I'm gonna go to a local cafe to get it done, just to have a different change of scenery. It's gonna be a cozy, comfy vlog, just like always. Go ahead and grab a snack, blanket, and yeah, let's jump into the vlog. It has been such a cozy day so far, and I think what I'm gonna do is play The Sims. I have not played The Sims in months, so it's a long overdue, but I just feel like it would be the perfect way to kick off unwinding for the night. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we can continue the rest of our evening.